What is it weird if I answer all of them? I, I got to skip that one. I don't know. You have to have some pretty good answers to that one. I don't know though. Well, including a time at Proficient, it'd be 35 years. I spent 33 years at Caterpillar in manufacturing, and then 2 years now as the manufacturing lead at Proficient. So I hate vegetables. I know I mean, come on. I hate vegetables. I take a vegetable pill every morning so I don't have to eat vegetables. So I don't think I want to be a vegetable, period. That's what I'm going to say. I have no like for vegetables whatsoever. This is going to be the most ironic answer ever. Spanish. Like, I am actually second generation Mexican. And my grandparents came from Mexico. And whenever we went to their houses, my mom's parents and my dad's parents, they only spoke Spanish. Like, I never spoke to my grandparents ever. But every piece of Spanish that I learned were from Cheech Chong albums. So that's all I know. One of the most important things to do is to make sure it aligns with the enterprise strategy. So I would say that is probably the most important thing. The second thing is it has to provide value. And when it provides value, it's something that's measurable. So that could be in the form of sales or something like customer experience. The third thing is you have to get the right people involved. You can't do this in a silo. So all those adjacent partners around the company need to be involved. And then the fourth thing is it can't be a technology first approach. You have to think about how the process is going to work and then apply the technology. Vegetables? Like, really? Like, kill me once and kill me twice? That would be the name of the sale for me. Like, no. Like, or like, hey, like we have buy one salad, get one free. No. One's bad enough. The first one would be automation. There's all types of automation, whether it's in process or technology like robotics. The second thing would be sustainability. And that can be in the form of how you do manufacturing and get more sustainable, or it also can be in the form of your product itself, that it's more sustainable itself, like EV. The third thing is D2C, direct to consumer. Manufacturers are trying to bring their customers a lot closer and delivering the product directly to the consumer. And then the fourth thing is reshoring. There were a lot of issues around getting the supplies that you needed, and a lot of companies are bringing that back to the United States.